Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for the gold price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis, and this is the intraday for the gold to see what happened here, what it might happen next. So what we are looking at here for the gold is a potential 1-2 here, of course, as we mentioned today. We might see, of course, an impulse towards the upside. I'm going 15-minute chart, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, wave 1 finished. A corrective wave, obviously, of course, starting with the wave A, where you don't have kind of an impulse. This, of course, if this is a wave 3, it's very short, and the wave 4 anyway interfering with zone 1. So therefore, definitely this is a wave A, B, and a C that we are looking at here as 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. That it might has finished around the 0.5 fib level, of course. And confluence here, we can see as well the 1-to-1 fib level can still be, of course, hit for a little bit lower. It could be, of course, very, very likely. From there, I'm looking, of course, for wave 3 to move towards the upside. This potential scenario, if we have, of course, an impulse here, I'm looking first for the zigzag testing level, right? So first of all, I would like to see at least an A, B, and a C. In case we have an A, B, and a C here, I would like to see the 1-to-1 fib level hit. If in case, of course, the price action overshoot the 1-to-1 fib level toward the 1.618, we can call, of course, a wave 3, 4, and 5 continuation toward the upside. And of course, as we saw today in the live stream, that highest possibility is anyway to look for higher prices, whether we are still in a correction or if we are moving with a very bullish trend after a big triangle here. Since we are still above the 3,245, here's the invalidation of the triangle, of course, to take the wave C, where the wave E might still be, of course, finished as a potential zigzag here. We can still, of course, estimate a move toward the upside here. Can be, of course, bullish, or even it can be something else corrective, but towards higher prices. Why? Because if we have a finished triangle here, it might be only, of course, one thing, which is a W. After a W, you have an X. Of course, the X has to be anything, whether zigzag, flat. Well, it cannot be triangle because, of course, we have already triangle. You might see, of course, a zigzag or a flat here, right? And then moving for wave Y towards the downside, the wave Y can be also zigzag or a flat after all. So we're going to see, of course, how this is going to unfold. Now, on the micro level, as mentioned, we have, of course, hit potentially here the level for wave 2 or for wave B in a zigzag or regular flat here. Preferably to take, of course, the 3,290, which it might be, of course, the 1-to-1 fib level. And then we're going to estimate if this is going to move towards the upside or not. But very likely, because I don't see any kind of impulsive waves there. So higher possibility is to continue for higher prices. Yep, so that was it for the intraday for the gold. Let's see what's going to happen. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. And see you in the next one. Bye-bye.